Hey guys, so today we're having a look at how to give a reason for something, and in order to do that we use this word kara. So what we do is we add kara to the end of the sentence that gives the reason. So you can see here there are some examples. There's a reason on the left here and then the consequence on the right. So my first example says, I have a uniform, so there is no need to buy one. So if we want to express that in Japanese, we take the first sentence, which is quite simple. If we want to break it down, we can see here, I have a uniform is simply seifuku wa arimasu. And then our second sentence is, there is no need to buy one. So we can say, kawanakute mo ii desu. So instead of having two simple sentences, we can actually join them together with this word kara and make a longer, more complex sentence, which gives reasoning and explanation. So we link these two sentences together with kara, and we have seifuku wa arimasu kara kawanakute mo ii desu. Alright, so now we have one long sentence. We have a second example here in blue. It is raining. So again, a very simple sentence. We just need to say ame ga futte imasu. And then we have our second sentence, I don't want to go outside. Soto e ikitaku nai desu. But again, if we wanted to make that into one long sentence with a, giving explanation or reason as to why you don't want to go outside, you can say, Ame ga futte imasu kara soto e ikitaku nai desu. So we're simply joining those two short sentences together with the word kara to make one long sentence. Now, the reason can come at the beginning of a sentence, as in the examples that I've just read out, or it can come at the end. So here we have a consequence at the start and our reason at the end. So our first example here, you don't have to buy a uniform. And then our reason is because we already have one. So we can start here by saying you don't have to buy a uniform. That's a pretty simple sentence. Seifuku wa kawanakute mo ii desu. And someone might say, well, why don't I have to buy a uniform? And you can say, well, because I have one. Arimasu kara. It's as simple as saying arimasu, which is the verb to have or to exist. So we've attached the word kara to the end of our second sentence to give explanation or reason. So instead of having one long sentence, we've broken this down into two shorter sentences. Again, our example of it raining outside and not wanting to go outside because it's raining, we have here, I don't want to go outside. Soto e ikitaku nai desu. And someone might say, but why? Why don't you want to go outside? And you can simply say, because it's raining. Ame ga futte imasu kara. So kara gives our explanation. It's our reason. Now, be careful where you place kara, because, for example, if you express, I don't want to go outside because it is raining, as soto e ikitaku nai kara ame ga futte imasu, you're actually saying it's raining because I don't want to go outside. So you have to be careful about the position of kara and be clear about what it is you're trying to say. In the first example, you can see that the word kara is more like the word so in English. But on our second slide, the word kara is more like the English word because. So if you keep that differentiation in mind, it'll make it easy for you to know when and where and how to use the word kara. So that's all for this one. But if you have any questions or comments, please let me know.